Alright, so we're going to create a segment bisector or a perpendicular bisector. So here what we're going to do is we're going to create our segment, call it line AB, and don't create it too long where you're going to go outside the screen. So once you create a line segment AB, you're going to create a circle using AB as the radius of the circle. And once you've done that, you go to compass, select point A again, select point B, and then you should see another circle. So once you've double-clicked over point B, it should put that circle at point B. And realistically, we're practically done. The last thing to do is we're going to look for the intersection of these two circles, and we get points C and D. And if we connect the line segment using these 2 points, we have our perpendicular bisector.